Thank you. Nice. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so here we are at, yeah?
What's her name?
Hi.
Mine's Black. Kevin's wife from Australia, Stephen's sister, she's inside.
Who is it? Sorry.
Stephen's sister, Limburg.
Oh, Lena.
She's inside waiting on that
See,
key there.
she didn't even tell me she was coming, hey? Okay. And here we are. It's a beautiful day. Wow, look at everyone. Oh, lovely. Hi, Mocha. And all these lovely people here today. Oh, come on down. So I'm going to go inside now and just see what we have inside. Oh my! Oh, so many people. And here the stalls inside. Look at that. This is inside the hall. It's beautiful how they've set it up. Look at all these beautiful things they're selling here. Oh. And here's Sina. Malolo. And here, everything they're selling. The hats. And they're beautiful. Oh, look at everyone here. Oh, nice music playing. Oh, look at these. So colourful. Is this Toy Village celebration? Toy Village celebration. Hi, hey my friend. How are you? I saw you walk in. Honey? Oh, hi. Okay. Oh, hi. Hello. Nice to see you all. Hello. Kalafatu. Kalafatu. Nice to see you. I love that colors. Okay, just taking her around. Where is she? Ai, Kalafatu. Hey ho. Hey ho, say that. Hey ho. Oh, you know him. Go around and see everyone. Oh, even books. How's that? Oh, even selling books here. Oh, nice. Oh, how lovely. This is everyone here today. We're waiting for the official opening. Hello. Yours is nearly finished. Isn't that great? Oh, I don't think you made enough, eh? Hey, how many people? Didn't you think there was a lot of people today? Oh, I know. Isn't that great? Sif. Sifa. Okay, don't know how hey, cool. Malolo. Oh, I saw sis. There you are. Carol told me you're here. I'm just going around. Why didn't you call me? Because why did you call me?
Well, now Kevin waited until the last minute and he said he would